Let's go through LeetCode 337. House number 3. For this question, it gives us a tree. It gives the condition that you cannot rob the two houses which are directly linked together, and trying to ask what is the maximum value you can rob. So for this question, it give an example. For example, example 1, it is tree like this. If I he rob the root 3 and also the leaf 3, 1, he can get maximum money, that is 7. Now the second question, the maximum is 4 and 5. So for this question, what we're thinking about is that for every node, every subtree, if we rob this tree, it will return 2 values. One is that we rob this node. Another is that we don't rob this tree node. So if we don't rob this tree node, for this tree, rob this tree, what is the max value is the max, for example, for every, we are going to create a function which return 2 values. One is not rob, and another is rob. So result 0 will be not robbed, and result 1 will be robbed. So if this one is not robbed, right? So for the whole tree, what is the biggest money we can get is that the max of this subtree, it's left. It has not robbed root dot left 0 and not robbed root dot left right, and also max of this part, right? So if not rob root, the maximal value for this tree is max this and also max this, and these two we get the max, right? So this is for this root if we don't rob this root. But if we rob this root, right, that means we can only use the one which returned not robbed for its left, right, and also the one not robbed for its right, and plus this root, right. So we are return 2 values. So and if this is a null, right, we just return 0, 0. So let's begin to write code for this, right? So what we do is that we're going to return an array. Let's call DFS, okay, node, right? So let's see, result 0 is not row node, and the result 1 is row node. So both are max, right? Max for max of value of not rob this node and the max value of rob this node. So let's say if node equals null, we just return new int 0, 0, right? And let's have a left result equals DFS node dot left int right result DFS node dot right, right? So we'll see, we're going to have a result, right? Result equals new int 2. So if for our node, we do not rob, right? So result 0 will be max dot max L result 0 L result 1, right? And plus, right? So will be, if not rob, will be this part the greatest, plus this part the greatest one, right? So plus max R result 0 R result 1, right? And also result 1, right? That is we rob our root, so that is not dot value plus L result. We can only not rob it, right? And plus R result 0 and return result. So in the end, for our result, we should return and have a result, right? DFS root. What we return is the maximum, right? Because for root, we can rob or not rob, right? Okay. Let's also write a Python version for this. So we need to define df function, right? DFS function, and we need passing a node, tree node, right? Optional. Node. Actually, we return actually int, right? So that kind of pair. And we define if not no, okay, if this is not, right, we just return 0 0. And then we'll have left equals DFS node dot left, and the right equals DFS node dot right, right? So we'll say have two variable, not row, not row equals n row, not row equals max left, because there are two values plus max right, and row equals node dot value plus left 0, right? The first one plus right 0. And what we return is not row and row, right? And then in the end, what we do is that we first we need to call this DFS, right? So we'll have result equals DFS root, right? And what we just return the max is the result.